back, I take it that you've had a look at the 2 links above. You've satisfied yourself that this is a company that you'd like to work with. You've taken a look at the compensation plan and rightly got excited about the compensation plan. So now let's talk about startup costs. What does it cost you to get involved with Xocai? It actually costs you approximately £220 to get involved. Now, when I say approximately £20, it's due to the fact that everything's priced in American dollars and the exchange rate can fluctuate slightly. But £220 generally covers everything. But what do you get for your £220? You get 12 months membership to the Xocai company, which opens up access to the compensation plan and the company products. You receive 2 boxes of chocolate, 2 boxes of power squares, each with 140 pieces in for promoting your business. And you also receive membership to a ProPay debit card account, which allows your commissions to be loaded directly onto that debit card so that you can spend your commissions as you please, as you normally would with your normal debit card. So you can go and buy your shopping, and you can go and get your petrol, etc. Whatever you would normally use it for, your commissions are there and are accessible by you immediately. So how do you get into profit within your first 2 weeks with this business? It may seem a little bit strange to you to actually purchase chocolate just to give it away. But I want you to think outside the box here. I want you to see this for what it is. And if you don't see it for what it is by the end of this video, please go back, please look at the links again, and please go through the videos again. And once you see what it is, you will get extremely excited about how little you have to do to operate this business. So we give the chocolate away. We give the chocolate away in batches of 140 with a little card slipped inside it. That card drives people to this website. It drives people to this website so I can explain the business fully to them so you don't have to. Right? So yes, it costs you £220 to get started, and it costs you approximately £100 per box of chocolates. But you can make a profit on every single box of chocolates you give away. Now, if you consider that the worst results that I've experienced is approximately 3% uptake on this. Now, 3% of 140 is going to give you about approximately 4 people joining your business. Now, if you have 4 people joining your business each time you give 140 pieces of chocolate away, you get for every single box of chocolate you give away. The reason that is that the company will actually pay you for creating volume within your business. Now, you create volume within your business by introducing people to the business. When they see how the business works, they enroll in the business, and by enrolling, they purchase 2 boxes of chocolates as they enroll. When they go on auto ship, they promise to purchase future boxes of chocolate. That is you creating a sale. That is you creating volume in your business, and the company pays you compensation on that. All you need to do is continually give chocolate out, and the more you give chocolate out, the more people will join your business. But what you have to understand also is that as you give chocolate out, the people who you introduce to the business are also doing the same thing. And rather than just seeing these quick start bonus checks of $50 per person coming your way, you will quickly see the other commissions coming into force, and you will quickly see your earnings grow and grow exponentially, because once this starts, you can't stop it, thankfully, and it goes a long, long way. To give you an idea of the kind of earnings that are available from this, and how quickly they're available from this, I've been in this business for 3 months now. The lady that introduced me into it has been in the business for approximately 6 months, and Xocai itself has only been in the UK since January 2009. Now, the lady that introduced me to this business is earning approximately £4,000 per week, and she's promoting this business in the standard network marketing format, where we've stripped most of that away to make this extremely easy so that you don't have to do that. You don't have to explain the business, you don't have to sell products, you don't have to handle hundreds of phone calls, you don't have to make lists, you don't have to attend meetings. All you have to do is give chocolate away, drive people to this website, I'll do all the explaining, and then you have to answer a phone call and see people through the enrolment process. That's all you have to do. Nothing more. That's all you have to do. And as you do that, you bring 4 people in for every box of chocolates, you will earn $200 on every single box of chocolates. That puts you in profit for every single box of chocolate. So this business is going to cost you nothing to run. Even your first initial 2 boxes of chocolate will give you back your startup costs and more. So there is absolutely no risk involved here. £220, you'll be getting it back within 2 weeks of starting, and from there on your business will grow at an exponential rate if you just follow the very, very simple marketing plan that I have devised. This marketing plan is open to you the moment you join. For obvious reasons, I cannot give these details away because that would disadvantage the people that are already in the Choxaway group by giving the information away that we use, and we want to keep that close to our chests so that the people who are involved in our group benefit from it the most. All you have to see about this business is that all you really have to do is get started. All you really have to do is join. Give the chocolate away with the card that I'll supply you with, and people will look at this business, people will join your business, and you will begin to earn money. I'm a living example of that. I started this with nothing. I borrowed the money to get started in this, and within 2 weeks I was able to pay that money back. From there on, I haven't looked back, and you can be exactly the same. This is a business where you've got to really think outside the box and see it for exactly what it is. And the moment you see it for exactly what it is, you will get excited as I am about it. This is like nothing you've ever seen. This can give you what you want. You've just got to see it. But what I do want to ask you is one very, very serious question. We've just not only entered a new year, but we've entered a new decade. Now this new decade could be the decade when everything changes for you, when your life takes a complete turnaround, when your earnings reach a level that you couldn't even think about previously. This is that time. Now you can take advantage of this, and you can move with it, and you can run with it like I have, or you can ignore what I'm saying and you can come out of this decade just 10 years older like you did out of the last decade. But ask yourself, do you want this to be your time? Do you want to have the things that you really want in life? And not only that, do you want the freedom to enjoy them? Because working 2 to 3 hours a week and earning a fantastic income means you have a great lifestyle. You are not tied to a job. You have loads of time on your hands to enjoy your lifestyle and enjoy your earnings. So if this is for you, contact me now or get back to the person who gave you the piece of chocolate. Ask them, tell them that you're ready to get started. Ask them to help you through the enrolment process. Once you've finished going through the enrolment process, they will supply you with everything that you need to get started immediately. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask me. My telephone number and my email address are on the bottom of this page. Contact me. That's what I'm here for, to answer your questions. If the person who gave you the piece of chocolate can't answer your questions, it's very likely that they've only just got started and they're not very familiar with the system as yet. So if they can't answer your questions, I can. So please contact me. Let's get you started in this business. Let's get you earning the income that you deserve. Let's make a difference in your life. So please, just go for it. Contact the person who gave you the chocolate. And I'll speak to you at some point very soon. We'll discuss this business. We'll discuss the joy of having such a great income and the freedom to enjoy that income. Thanks for taking the time to watch these videos. I hope you can make a decision based on the information that I've given to you. If you can't, contact me and we'll talk about it. Thank you.